Natural home remedies for getting rid of ant hills in your yard. Boiling water does the trick. Pour multiple pots of boiling water into the anthill to flood tunnels, disrupting the colony and killing many ants. White vinegar solution works wonders. Spray or pour equal parts white vinegar and water into the mound to overwhelm scent trails and irritate ants on contact. Dish soap and water combo. Mix 1 tablespoon liquid dish soap with a quart of water and pour into the hill to suffocate ants by breaking their coating. Cinnamon disrupts scent trails. Sprinkle ground cinnamon around the mound to confuse pheromone trails, prompting ants to abandon their colony and relocate elsewhere. Baking soda and powdered sugar trap. Place equal parts powdered sugar and baking soda near the hill. Ants eat it, carry it back, and perish from the reaction. Diatomaceous earth. Sprinkle food-grade diatomaceous earth around ant trails and mounds to puncture exoskeletons and dehydrate ants over time. Peppermint oil as a natural repellent. Mix 10 to 15 drops of peppermint oil with water and spray around the hill. The strong scent disorients ants and keeps them away. Cornmeal as a slow-acting bait. Scatter cornmeal near the mound. Ants collect it but cannot digest it, eventually disrupting their colony's health and growth. Saltwater solution for dry conditions. Dissolve salt in warm water and pour into the anthill to draw moisture from soil and ants, encouraging them to leave. Used coffee grounds keep ants at bay. Spread used coffee grounds over and around the mound. The strong smell repels ants and disrupts their scent trails. Orange or lemon peels add a citrus punch. Grind citrus peels into a paste, mix with water, and pour into the mound to break down tunnels and repel ants.